Big O has several ways in which we simplify the notation, and it makes things easier. The first that we're going to look at is called drop constants, or you'll see it referred to as remove constants. You'll see it both ways. So to explain this, I'm going to start by bringing up the code that we had in the last video on O of n. But I'm going to add a second for loop that's identical to the one above, except that we're going to use j instead of I. And both of these for loops are going to run n times. So let's take a look at this in DevTools. There's our code, and we're going to call this with a number 3. Okay, so let's run this. And our output is 0, 1, 2 from the first for loop, and then once again 0, 1, 2 from the second for loop. So let's go back over here. So our code ran n plus n times, or 2n. So it would make sense to say that this is an O of 2n operation. But this is where that simplification comes in. It doesn't matter if it's 2n, 3n, or 100n. If there's a constant, we drop the constant, and we say that this code is O of n. So our first rule for simplifying our big O notation, drop constants.